Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we are joining in with Lissa at Doll Joy Lissa's Prom. Okay, y'all know I'm not big into dioramas and all that stuff, but I did get out a Barbie dress, which I absolutely love. I bought several of these, a few years back. I used to do a beginner's crafts on my channel, and I bought a bunch of these so that we could jazz them up. But I tell you, I really like it like that. It's like a 1950s kind of prom dress, and I really like it. I didn't do anything with her hair because I thought it was pretty, that black with that pink. I really like that. Thank you, Lissa. This is a lot of fun. I hope you all will go watch all of the prom videos today. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.